Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house in the sign of Scorpio, where second house Lord Mars is already moving. 11th house deal with your elder siblings. Your gains in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your PR, your network circle, your professional circle is also seen from 11th house. So right now, 11th house Lord is moving in your second house. Second house deals with your family lineage, your family history is seen from second house. Your money matters, your savings, your bank account, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now, 11th house Lord is moving in your second house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your money related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your savings related matter in the month of December. You will able to save a lot of money in the month of December, and you will also get gains in the month of December, because right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your second house, and second house Lord, which is Mars, is already moving in your second house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your money related matter and your savings related matter in the month of December. Also, second house deal with your family related matter. So we can also expect good result regarding your family related matter in the month of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Sagittarius, where Mercury is already moving. So after 17th of December, when your 11th house Lord is moving in your third house, then we can expect you may arrange some get together with your friend circle, your professional net circle, or your cousins, neighbors, or childhood friend, because third house deal with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, and your younger siblings. And after 17th of December, your 11th house Lord, house of gatherings, love, house of friend circle, Lord will be moving in your third house, in the house of get together, in the house of communication, where Mercury, which generally controls communication, is also moving in your third house. That's why after 17th of December, we can also expect good result regarding your get together related matter, regarding your communication related matter, and also we can expect you will arrange some get together with your friend circle and your childhood friends in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 12th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. 12th house deal with your isolation, your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matters in from 12th house, your donations, your long-term investment, your dreams, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. 9th house deal with your foreign travel, especially your long distance travel is seen from 9th house. Your father, teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentors, your higher education, your religious knowledge, your religious inclination, and your post-grade education is also seen from 9th house. Also, your luck related matter is also seen from 9th house. So right now, your 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your third house, and Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in your third house after 13 December 2023. So right now your 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your third house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, because from third house your 9th house Lord is expecting its own house in your 9th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your father's health, your relationship with your father, your health, your relationship with your teachers. We can also expect good result regarding your higher education related matter if you are in post-grade education. Also, Mercury controls your 12th house, and right now Ketu is moving in your 12th house after 30th October 2023. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your third house. That's why we can expect you may have to face some argument and some conflicts in the month of December as well regarding your communication related matter, as we discussed previously in some section. You will definitely arrange some get together with your friend circle and your cousins, neighbors. There are chances you will face some argument and confrontation regarding these gatherings, because Ketu is right now moving in your 12th house and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your third house, and Mercury is also about to turn into its retrograde motion in your third house. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of December for all the Libra Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Venus controls your 8th house and your first house. And right now Venus is moving in your first house, means Venus is your ascendant lord, and Venus is very important planet for you people. Eighth house will be your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house. Your in-laws related matter, your secret activities, your sexual activities, your sexual organs are also seen from eighth house. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your fundamental nature and your basic perception is seen from first house, and your general health and character is also seen from first house. So right now, your eighth house lord is in a strong position, and your first house lord is also in a strong position. So as we discussed previously in Sun section and Mars section, you will get good result regarding your gains related matter. But right now, Venus is also moving in your first house till 24th of December. But after 24th of December, Venus will move to your second house. Till Mercury is moving in your first house, we can expect good result regarding health related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your unexpected gain, because eighth house also deal with your unexpected gains. And right now, eighth house lord is moving in a strong position in your first house. Also, your second house lord, which controls your gains, your savings, your money matter, is also in a strong position. But after 24th of December, Venus, your eighth house lord, will be moving in your second house, and from second house Venus will expect its own house. So that's why we can expect you will get unexpected gain in the month of December as well. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe for every house in a single video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these houses. And second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mars controls your seventh house and your second house. And right now, as we discussed previously in Sun section, Mars is moving in your second house in its own sign. Means second house and seventh house is right now in a strong position. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships, and generally seen from seventh house how you meet other and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. Your business related matter, your partnership, your legal bindings, your legal agreement is also seen from seventh house. Second house, as we discussed previously, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, especially your money matters is seen from second house. So we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter, a good result regarding your marriage related matter in the month of December if you are married right now. Also, if you are single right now, then we can expect good proposal in the month of December, because Jupiter is also moving in your seventh house in transit, and your seventh house lord is moving in the house of family. So that's why we can expect you will get good proposal in the month of December if you are single right now. Also, we can expect good result regarding your money related matter. But Jupiter is also expecting your first house and your ascendant lord in your first house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your personality related matter, health related matter, and your fame related matter. You will also excel in your workplace in the month of December. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of December. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your second house. But after 17th of December, Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your first house. But after 24th of December, Venus will move to your second house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your third house, but after 13th of December, Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024 in your third house. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your seventh house, but after 1st January 2024, Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your seventh house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Libra Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.